Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for butter chicken. Butter chicken goes very well with roti, naan or pulao. So without further ado, let's get going and check out what are the ingredients required. So here I have about 500 grams of boneless chicken, into which I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of hung curd. Next I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Next 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per taste, and finally chili powder according to your preference. Now let's give it a good mix until everything gets well combined. And then let's cover it and allow it to rest at least for half an hour. Here I have a pan into which I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, let's go ahead and add in the marinated chicken. Now cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is done. Now keep this aside and let's go ahead and check the ingredients for the gravy. Here I have a pan into which I'm adding in half a cup of water. Next I'm adding in 1 roughly chopped onion. In goes 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. Next the ginger and the garlic pods. And in goes all the whole spices. Stir this. Next adding in 1 tablespoon of butter, since it's butter chicken. Then add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives a good color to your gravy. Mix all and then let's add in the cashews. Mix again. And let's cover it and cook it until the tomatoes are mushy. Now allow this to cool and grind it into a smooth paste. Here I have a pan into which I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of oil and then 1 tablespoon of butter. Next I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now stir this immediately and do not allow the chili powder to burn. Now let's add in the ground masala. If you feel the consistency of the gravy is too thick, add in some water. Add in salt as per taste. And then add in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. And give everything a good mix. You will see the gravy turn glossy. Now add in the cooked chicken. The gravy has been simmering for about 10 minutes now. As a final step, let's go ahead and add in some crushed fenugreek leaves. Also add in some freshly chopped coriander and give everything a good mix. And there you go. Your delicious butter chicken is ready to be relished along with some rotis, naan or with pulao. The recipe for naan is already posted on my channel. I shall leave the link for the same in the description box and also in the iCard. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. And I hope you like this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So if you did, please do not forget to click on that like button. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. So until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade and stay positive. Take care. Bye-bye.